my loves. How are you? How are we? Oh God. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. Welcome to a fabulous episode. The one and only, because I've never ever done this. Well, first and foremost, let me say hello to our queen. Hello, ENITAN.
Hello, everybody.
How are you? And look at my baby over there. You know it's my second home. Until they throw me out, I will be here. Happy New Year. Happy newest years. May this year find you in favor of everything that you want, that you desire, that you need. In the event that it does not happen, two things. It's not yours, and you will need to prepare a little bit more for when it comes, because whatever you're looking for, blessing for, may it stay. All right, guys, guess what? We are cutting the hair. Say what now? Yeah. I'm so nervous. I put earrings on, makeup, everything. Yeah. Because I said, you know what? I don't know what to expect, but the time has come. Hello, my darlings. How are you? We are at the Healthy Hair Studio by ENITAN. Let me see if I can do it that way. Yes. And she is opening her first standalone store today. We have been so honored to have some time with her, and she has really gone through with my hair and told me, Fumi, your hair's thinning out. We need to get one or two things going. And it's the first time somebody has spoken to me like this about my hair, language where I truly believe that this is my path to having beautiful hair. This is gold for all of you FUMINATION down there. So don't say I never give you anything. She's going to come in and we're going to have a lovely session with her. Let's give her a round of applause. Hello, ENITAN. How are you? Thank you. Yes. Look at her. Nigerian. We love the green. Yes. We love the fabulosity. Just look at her hair. Look at her hair. And she says, this is attainable. So let's sit and listen. The time has come. You can see the growth underneath. So we are doing what? We are cutting this puppy. She's grown this hair to its fabulosity, and I cannot believe it.
Very dense.
Who
knew? You didn't even know.
I did not even know. 54.
You didn't even know.
I didn't believe that it could happen. How about that?
Look at that. So it's going to be short.
Short, baby. Give it to me hot.
So you have to embrace it. It's going to change the shape of your face.
Yes, Lord.
So embrace the new look.
Yes.
A lot of things to learn. The amazing new journey. We're starting a new journey today. We've done the transitioning journey.
Yeah. So guys, can you see the undergrowth? Let me turn around for you as well from the back. Can I turn?
Yeah.
There you go. So can you see, my darlings? There we go. And let me just try to show you from this end also, if you can see. So that is what the hair looks like.
The transitioning journey.
Yeah.
That ends today.
Yeah.
The new journey begins today.
I am really going to embrace this time.
So, one of the reasons why your hair feels so soft is, as you said,
Yes.
you're not spraying with water.
Yeah.
Which is a common thing you often see. They get a spray to bottle.
Yes.
And they're spraying. The disadvantage of that is your roots will shrink and then clump.
Oh wow.
So you're not having that shrinkage and clumping because you're using the moisturizer to stretch it. So it's already started the detangling process for you. Whereas if you spray, it's wet in that moment, and when it starts to dry out, all of hair will shrink down and start to clump.
Yes.
But you're not experienced that. It feels so starched, so well taken care of,
Yes.
so conditioned. So, to do the big job, we have to wet it first, but we need to see the two textures. So I'm going to take you to the wash unit.
Yeah.
I'm going to shampoo.
So guys, just look. All of this was not there. And look at how it's grown. I'm so excited for this new journey. New year, new hair, new everything. I'm ready for a new day. Yeah. Amazing, huh, baby?
Like, very. I was just saying to Fumi that she came not too long ago, and here, there was nothing. Can you see? This is new growth. And I said, I'm just going to be careful of the wigs where it's sitting, because
Yeah.
it's sandpaper in your hairline. And this is all back.
Yeah.
I'm so impressed.
Yeah.
I can't stop keep saying over and over again.
Oh my
This is what
God.
happens when you're diligent.
Yes.
And when you're consistently consistent.
Yes. 100%. Because FUMINATION, so many of you send me messages talking about how your hair is your crowning glory. Then treat it as such. Treat it as such. Don't think it will magically do it by itself. And it becomes a routine. And I love it.
It becomes a lifestyle you cultivate.
100%.
Because when you're new at it, it does feel overwhelming. And it
Yes.
does. Your feelings and thoughts are validated because it is overwhelming. But once you cultivate, just like when you're brushing your teeth, you're not
Yes.
thinking, oh, this is long. It's a habit you've cultivated. You're just doing it.
Correct.
And then when you don't do it, you should feel uncomfortable.
Yes.
That's the point you want to get at.
100%.
Alright, so just wetting the area again because it's drying out.
Yeah.
You can see the textures properly. Ooh.
Perfect.
Alright, so as you can see, this is relaxed. This is relaxer free. I'm just going to grab a handful and cut, and then we'll shape up later on.
Yeah.
Alright. Relaxer free, relaxed ends. Alright, that's the first layer done. Woo!
Liberation.
Yes. Still some relaxed bits over there which we'll take off after
Yeah.
we put more water. But this is what we're working with.
I love it already.
Amazing.
I love it already. Very happy. Look at this, darlings. Why didn't I do this before? ENITAN, thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you for really making me look and feel. Why didn't I do this? Why didn't I do this? This is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. I want to cry. Guys, come on to Healthy Hair Studio. Discount code FUMI. This is fabulous. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No. Editor, wait. Let me just look, guys. Just look. Oh, wow. I feel young.
Yeah.
I'm Adrian's mom. I think it's going to be a minute before I do any. I love it. This is fabulous. I'm so happy. I am so happy. Oh my God. ENITAN, they need you all over the world. They need you all over the world. You know your stuff. Dr. ENITAN. You have to understand that I have had my hair relaxed since my 20s. To be so free and trust you the way that I do, you deserve all the flowers, Mama. Here's your Academy Award.
Thank you.
Oh,
no, but seriously, thank you. It's an awakeness.
It really is.
Come to the stage in your life and you still feel even more beautiful. Not a lot of people can do that.
I even feel more beautiful and back to me. You know, when I came the first day and I said back to 4, I really wasn't sure all the way. But I thought, I was open to it, that I have done it in a matter of less than 6 months.
And even your language, the way you refer to it, has changed.
Has it?
Your language has changed. It has changed. Now it's the physical change.
Yes.
The mental change.
Yes.
How you
Yeah.
your hair.
Yes. I love it. All right, darlings. FUMINATION, this is a treat. Cheers, FUMINATIOn, to bigger, better, to natural hair. I have not had natural hair. I can't even remember. When I was in high school, I'm dragging this closer. When I was in high school, that was the last time I had natural hair. I had to be 15. So I'm going to be 55 in April. We're talking about 40 years ago. 40 years ago, until ENITAN walked into my life. Guys, I'm taking out my braids. Oh, wow. Look! And look, I still have all this undergrowth. If I stretch it, never. Look! Hair studio! Christina, look! Look, Christina, look. And it's not even this thing. If I stretch, yeah, look. 1 month. That's it. That is it. Are we living or are we loving? I am absolutely loving. This is brand spanking new for me, and it has just changed everything. It's just changed everything. ENITAN, thank you.
I love it. Yeah. Smiling.
No, I can't believe it. But it's a new year. Just look. I feel fantastic. Thank you, FUMINATION. We did it. So don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button. Come to ENITAN. I don't know what else I can tell you. I don't know what else I can tell you. You've been with me on this journey, so you've seen it for what it is. Get your crown back. Happy New Year. Discount code FUMI. Amazing.
Thank you.
Love.